So I wanted to leave you just with an insight. If you have a beauty business, I'm taking a business that a friend of mine founded. You can click a few times here, called Sorbet. If you have a beauty business, you would think your purpose is beauty. So let's say it's Sorbet is your business name. So whatever your business name is, and I'll see tonight because I'm going to stay. I'm not going to leave. I'm going to take pictures and put it on LinkedIn. But you would assume the purpose of Sorbet could be beauty. But beauty is skin deep. And if you scratch a bit deeper in a business like a beauty business, you might find out people come to that business because they don't feel confident. And once you pamper them and make them feel good about themselves, they leave more confident. So maybe in the business of confidence. And when you sell confidence, you sell something that's far more superior to beauty. When you train people to work with people to gain confidence, you're in a much different business than just the business of beauty. So you don't have to click anymore. I'm going to leave it there. I wanted to end in conclusion. I just wanted to say that if ever I've experienced significance in my life, it's through what is often seen as the cliche, the more you give, the more you get. But it's so true. The system we live in is so magnificent. It's so beautiful.